What's the meaning of compute? Compute. Compute.
Compute. Compute. Compute refers to the process of performing calculations or carrying out operations using a computer or other electronic device. It involves using algorithms and programming languages to solve problems, analyze data, and automate tasks. The result of computing can vary widely depending on the specific application, but it often involves generating insights, producing visualizations, or controlling systems. In essence, computing enables us to leverage the power of machines to process and interpret information, thereby enhancing our ability to make informed decisions and achieve our goals more efficiently.